Nimbus by Land Control Systems. Nimbus is a cloud-hosted fire alarm management system, replacing the conventional logbook and automating routine tasks. The primary application of Nimbus is to log the fire alarm system activity for the purpose of compliance and auditing, with the added benefit of integration and delivery through desktop and mobile. Fire alarm systems connect to the Nimbus gateway, and the Nimbus gateway communicates events to Nimbus. Data is stored in a secure database and displayed in a simple-to-use, common format through any web-enabled device. Nimbus is compatible with most UK analog addressable fire alarm control panels. Connection is non-intrusive and made in a similar way to a printer connection. The action of connecting Nimbus to a fire alarm has no effect on the fire alarm or conformity with the required standards. All events are stored in an infinite log and tagged by a variety of parameters which can be used to filter, sort and generate reports. Weekly fire alarm testing data is automatically managed to ensure that tests are performed consistently and without duplication. Data is logged to Nimbus along with any user comments added through the weekly test app. Service activity is recorded to an annual service log, recording each unique device test. The collective service report provides a comprehensive log of which devices have been tested and which devices have not been tested in a specific service period. Service engineers can also supplement the testing with photos, barcodes and comments through the Engineer app. Users may subscribe to receive notifications via email, mobile phone apps, or secure and monitored IP networked systems. In summary, Nimbus is simple to install and use, cost-effective, catalogues any number and type of systems, ensures compliance with Regulatory Reform Order 2005 and EN 54, monitors and measures service performance to get the best value, and promotes the best practice. Nimbus by Land Control Systems.